Please note this is just a guide to aid with assembly of your dog guard. Your instructions should be referenced throughout, and there will be differences between car makes and models. Check your parts against the instructions provided. Step 1. There are 5 to choose from. Use the tightest fitting for the headrests in your vehicle. Now's a good time to add the safety strap. Step 2. Install the brackets on each of the headrests. Install the bushes you've selected as shown. Step 3. Add the 2 small screws using the Allen wrench supplied. Gently tighten. Step 4 and 5. Add the nuts and bolts to the bracket. Install the bracket at an angle that doesn't interfere with the boot cover. Leave the bolts loose so the bracket can slide. Step 6. Install the hexagonal bars in the clamps. Step 7 and 8. Install the guard. Adjust the guard to best fit your car, then install the knobs and tighten. Step 9. Adjust the guard to fit centrally in the car. Aim to have the black bracket in the centre of the headrest. Step 10 and 11. Thread the safety strap through the small hole in the bracket. Insert the hairpin clip into its channel. Step 12. Tighten all the screws with the Allen wrench supplied. Be careful not to over-tighten.